Ladies and gentlemen, hello again. I wanted to push this out to you guys, give you guys a little bit of advice on what we're doing on Thursday, September 10th. Okay, remember tomorrow, it's not that you're off, it's that it's a review slash makeup day. So anything that you might need to finish from this week, perfectly fine for tomorrow. Another thing, make sure you're doing your attendance every single day, especially tomorrow. Okay. As for what we're looking at today, we're still in this red Introduction to Physical Science folder. We are going down to this assignment. Should you believe everything you read on the internet? It should open up just like the lab code activity did. All right. You'll see a document like this. Now more than ever, we need to be aware of what sort of information we're getting on the internet. So I want to try to spend today, and we'll get into it a little bit early next week, what makes for good science and what makes for bad science. As you go through this document, there's a couple videos, there's a couple different links. Check those out. Those are going to give you the resources that you need, and they're laid out. So like this resource here is going to give you the answer to these questions and help you answer the questions that are in the vicinity. Okay, so quick and short today. Hope this helps. Again, any questions, reach out to me on Schoology. I'll talk to you guys soon.